Ever watched someone make millions with a product launch and thought, how the heck do they do that? Or, I wish that was me. Yeah, you might have seen me pull it off a time or two. Still challenging the name and making millions with digital product launches is the game. 15 years and counting, by the way. 1.2 million in 7 days, been there. $500,000 over a weekend, done that. 250K in a day, easy. And trust me, I'm not talking about monopoly money here. Want that fast car lifestyle? Jetting off anywhere on a whim, flashing that Amex card without a second glance at the price tag? I live it. Now, if you want to create money out of thin air and have the world cheer you on like a celebrity, well, you're speaking my language. Now, I've got launches down to an art. I'm the master of manifestation. Do you want my Millionaire playbook? Do you want me to coach you to success? Listen, I bet you do. Luckily for you, I want to invite you and give you my secrets to everything that I know. However, I'm usually busy living the dream or with Susie or Lucy on important matters, of course. If you're interested, let me know, but you better be quick.